to my channel. As you can see, I am in my kitchen. Today's video is going to be a cooking video, and I am going to be making chili lime shrimp salad. I and my husband are on a fitness journey, and we're trying to lose a few inches for my 30th birthday. I know, big 3-0, right? So I'm trying to lose a few inches, so we've been working out and eating more healthy. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my salad. Okay, so my first ingredient is the spring mix. This is actually really good. It doesn't contain a whole lot of water. My next ingredient is cherry tomatoes. These are Nature's Sweet Glories. These are so good. My third ingredient, and yes, you guessed it, is bacon. Please, if you don't eat pork, don't crucify me, y'all. It's so good. And I don't know, I just love bacon. It has a great taste. And I don't like the bacon bits in the bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and make my own bacon bits. So next I have my shrimp. I have thawed them, deveined, taken off the shell and the tail, and now they are ready to be seasoned and placed in a skillet. These are the seasonings that I will be using for my shrimp. Here's my skillet. I have butter and I also have minced garlic. Now, don't y'all make fun of my seasoned skillet. Me and the skillet have been through a whole lot. Once the butter has melted completely, go ahead and add your shrimp to the skillet and allow them to cook thoroughly on both sides. My bacon pieces on the skillet, and it's sizzling nice and loudly. Now, once the shrimp have cooked on one side and you flip them over, it's time to add the lime juice. Yes, I used the little bottle. I think there's no harm in doing that. You can add as much lime juice as you like. I also went ahead and chopped up some green onions. That is totally optional. I don't always add them to my salad, but today I'm adding them to my salad. Okay, now that everything is done cooking, you can go ahead and add it all together in your bowl. Get you a dressing. Obviously mine is ranch. And enjoy your delicious chili lime shrimp salad.
Yeah. Yeah. Go.